we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Are you looking for the best platform and the best guidance to score 600 plus in the upcoming December March 2023 exam to join the top-notch colleges all over India? We are here to help you on November 1st at 8 o'clock. We are going to conduct a free online webinar on tips and tricks to score 600 plus in the upcoming December March 2023 examination. If you want to join this webinar, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can also WhatsApp to the number 8870046080. Don't miss the date on November 1st at 8 o'clock. All the best, students.
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.